Hi, I ordered this car trim removal set toolkit thing off Amazon, and well, on the photos and everything, it looked much smaller than this, but actually looks like substantial, heavy piece of kit. I mean, it's about 1 foot by about 10 inches. It's like 300 by 250. Packed in nice box. Then inside of that is nice bag with a zip. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and it comes with all sorts of stuff. I mean, I'm actually well impressed. I didn't expect this much. I know on the photos it's like showing loads of things, and it says, I don't know, a couple hundred pieces in there and everything, but I didn't expect this. And it tells you here all the tools you have and what they're used for. Handy little thing. You got quite a few of these connectors and clips. Different sizes. You got like a radio removal stuff. Look at that, all different keys for removing different appliances. Look at that. I mean, I don't even think I'm gonna be in need of using as many things as these. I mean, the main reason why I got all of this is a couple of these flat bars to just like removing, like, praying up the panels, so I don't have to use screwdriver like I would normally use. So you can just use, this and pray it up without scratching plastic panel. I mean, it feels, it's got a bit of flexibility, but it's still sturdy enough, and it doesn't look like breakable. Yeah, so it was a couple of these things, and then also I just wanted to get this one. Where is it? Try to get it out. There you go. 90-degree pick. That's because I lost my old one, and I'm like, oh god, where is it? I can't find it. I said, oh, let's order another one. So I found one like where they got set for like 5-6 quid, just 4 different picks. And then I came across this set, which is, I think it was just under 20 quid, and it had 4 different picks, 2 of these little like a pray bar thing removals for the button fixings. I mean, this bigger one is almost like a little mini crowbar. That will definitely be handy. And this little one, very thin, fine, and it feels strong. I'm trying to, it's not bending. And also got these pliers. Only if I can take it out. It's hard to do it with one hand. Especially when you have to take it, get it underneath the button fixing and then pry it open. And again, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a little toy. It just feels like actually proper tool. And the way how it's aligned, if you think that way, it's really it's actually precise. You know, it's not like that it's sitting like this and then you have to bend it or something before you start using it. It's actually set in nice plane in and outer fork. I'm actually surprised, really surprised. Different pray bars, scrapers, hooks. I mean, I'm impressed. I'm well impressed. This looks like a stainless steel. The radio removal tool, same. These little things, self-adhesive plastic, like a cable ties. Let's try if I can open it with one hand. Yeah, little like self-adhesive cable tie thing. So you got some cable running around the engine bay, loose. Just degrease the surface, stick it on and secure it. Two different sizes, smaller one and bigger one. And I think, don't get me wrong, I think it was around 20 quid, even I think like under 20 quid. Yeah, I think it was like 23, 24 quid and stuff, but they had some discount on, so it was like 19 quid. Brilliant. Post a link below. Yeah, so post link below in the comments and description. And to be honest with you, I'm well surprised. I'll definitely find use for it. There you go. All the best.